Assalamu alaikum class 4. Today is 21st of January 2021 and the day is Thursday and I am here with the second lesson of social studies for you people. As you know that we are studying unit number 10, colonization, and we had read about Spanish colonies, Portuguese colonies. Portuguese had started a colony in India, Goa, right? Then we also have read about Goa. Then we had read about Spanish colonies. Spanish colonies in which continent? In South America, right? And then we studied about Christopher Columbus as well, who had discovered America. Because the king and queen of Spain sent him to find new routes to India. And he, on his way, he found different new things which the people had never seen before. And again, we have studied about the colonies of Portuguese in Brazil. And we had done question answers in which we discussed that what was the effect of these colonies on the people of that particular area. We read about the Brazil wood. Why did they want Brazil wood? Somia, why did they want Brazil wood? They wanted Brazil wood to make red dye. Yes. And we also have studied that the native people were harmed by the Portuguese as they spread new diseases, European diseases, to the native people, and many of them died. The native people died. Okay? And we had compared the Christians of the Christian priests of Brazil to the Christian priests of native people in Goa. Because the Christian priests in Brazil they behaved very well, they learned their language and started working with Brazilian people. But in Goa, it was opposite. Christian priests wanted most of the community, most of the population to be Christians. And if the people did not adopt that religion, they started punishing them and even killing them. So that was a contrast in between the Portugal colonies in Brazil and Goa, that the priests were playing different roles in both of the colonies. Right? And we also studied that the language of Brazil is Portuguese and their main religion is Christianity. They have started speaking Portuguese language and their main religion now is Christianity. Why? Because of the behavior of Christian priests who came to Brazil. Not because of the priests who went to Goa and spoiled the atmosphere over there. Now today we continue with our reading and we'll complete our reading today of this unit. And if we get some time, we'll do written work as well. But I would suggest you people to please read the units again and again to clear the concepts, to keep the facts in your minds, because repetition makes the things to stay for a longer time in our memory. Okay? So you keep on reading whenever you find time at your homes. Take any of your books and start reading whatever unit is under discussion these days. To be involved in the unit and to increase your knowledge about that unit. Okay, and now we'll be starting from Mexico, but before that we will have to find out that where is Mexico located in the world. We'll have to find out the position of Mexico on the map. We'll be reading Mexico. Okay, let's come up to the map to find out where is Mexico. Here I have the map of the world. You can see. First of all, let's discuss the continents of the world. The biggest one is Asia, in which Pakistan exists. The biggest is Asia. Adjacent to Asia is Europe. Okay, this one is Europe. And this is Africa. This is Australia. The smallest continent of the world, Australia. Here it is North America, and this one is South America. Brazil is in South America, right? We had discussed it before. Then Portugal is in Europe, see? Spain. And here in we had discussed about Brazil. Yes, definitely. Now we have to find out Mexico. Mexico is in North America, but where it is? Can you see Mexico? Please focus. We have Canada, United States of America with lots of states. And yes, we have Mexico here in North America. Mexico. Okay? So, Mexico is in which continent? North America. Brazil is in South America, right? Portugal and Spain is in Europe, right? And Pakistan is in? Where's Pakistan, by the way? Yes, there is our dear homeland. Pakistan is in Asia. We have to keep these facts in our mind because in social studies it's very important, and further when you will study geography, these will help you a lot. Okay, now please open up your book, page number 88. We'll start reading, and then if we'll get time afterwards, we'll do some written work. I'm here with page number 88, Mexico. Find Mexico on a map, which we have already done, and it was in the continent of North America. In 1519, a Spanish explorer named Cortez made friends with some native people of Mexico. 1519 में स्पेन के एक एक्सप्लोरर होते हैं ना, जो लोग नई नई चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, कॉर्टेज उसका नाम था. उसने मेक्सिको के इलाकाई लोगों से दोस्ती की. He took them with his army far into Mexico, away from the coast. और वो अपनी आर्मी के साथ, अपनी फौज के साथ उनको मेक्सिको से और साहिल समंदर से बहुत दूर ले गया. The Aztec people lived in Mexico. Aztec के लोग मेक्सिको में रहते थे. Their leader was Moctezuma. Okay, उनके रहनुमा लीडर का नाम Moctezuma था, and he ruled a large empire. और उसने एक बड़ी सल्तनत पे हुकूमत की. Other tribes had to pay taxes to him. दूसरे कबीलों को उसको टैक्स अदा करना पड़ता था. Tenochtitlan was his capital city. It was built on an island in Lake Texcoco with roads called causeways across the lake. Tenochtitlan उसका कैपिटल दारुल हुकूमत था यानी, और वो जजीरा टेक्सकोको की झील के साथ साथ था, और सड़कें बनी हुई थी झील के ऊपर से. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट स्पेनिश सेलर्स रोट अबाउट टेनोक्टिटलन. अब स्पेनिश जो मल्लाह थे वो टेनोक्टिटलन के बारे में क्या लिखते हैं? द स्ट्रीट्स आर वाइड एंड ब्यूटिफुल. गलियां चौड़ी और खूबसूरत हैं. सम ऑफ द स्ट्रीट्स आर इन द लेक. कुछ गलियां झील में हैं. एंड पीपल गो अलॉन्ग देम इन कैनोज. और लोग उन गलियों तक जाते हैं छोटी छोटी कश्तियों में. The chief's houses have many rooms. सरदारों के घरों के बहुत से कमरे हैं. And are amazing to see. और उनको देखना बड़ा ही मज़ेदार है भाई. In one house, एक घर में, there was a room big enough to hold 3,000 people. Wow. एक घर में इतना बड़ा कमरा था कि 3,000 लोग उसमें समा सकते थे. Interesting ना? And amazing as well. In one of Moctezuma's houses, there are cages with wild animals in them. एक घर में जंगली जानवरों के पिंजरे भी थे. Wolves, भेड़िए, foxes, लोमड़ियाँ, lions, शेर, tigers, चीते, as well as all kinds of birds. के साथ साथ बहुत सारी किस्म के परिंदे भी थे. There were big clay jars with snakes in them. और मट्टी के बड़े बड़े जार बने हुए थे, मर्तबान, जिनमें क्या थे? सांप थे. राइट. अब अगले पेज पे देखें. देयर इज अ मैप एंड अ मॉडल ऑफ Tenochtitlan. अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टडी कॉजवेज. दीज आर द कॉजवेज over the lake. This is the lake of Texcoco. This is the Texcoco lake. These are the causeways through which the people of Tenochtitlan used to travel across. Right? And this is the map and model of Tenochtitlan. See? It's a map. Right. Page number 90, Cortes in Mexico. Cortes marched into Tenochtitlan with a large army, horses and cannons. Cortes एक आदमी था, पढ़ा है ना अभी हमने. वो टेनोक्टिटलन में आया बहुत बड़ी फौज के साथ, घोड़ों और तोपों के साथ. Aztec priests said that men with bells and armor, carrying weapons, would come and that no one must harm them. एस्टेक के जो पादरी थे उन्होंने कहा कि जिन आदमियों की दाढ़ियाँ हों, उन्होंने ज़रा पहनी हो, हथियार उठाए हों, वो आते हैं तो उन्हें कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचाया जाए. सो मोक्टेजुमा ग्रीटेड कॉर्टेस काइंडली. तो मोक्टेजुमा ने कॉर्टेस को बड़ी मेहरबानी से उसका इस्तकबाल किया. कॉर्टेस captured Tenochtitlan without harming the Aztecs. Cortes ने Tenochtitlan पर कब्जा कर लिया, Aztecs को कोई नुकसान पहुंचाए बगैर. Then he went to capture other places. फिर वो दूसरे इलाकों पर कब्जा करने चला गया. He left some men in Tenochtitlan. उसने कुछ आदमी Tenochtitlan छोड़े, but they attacked the Aztecs. लेकिन उन्होंने Aztecs पर हमला किया. The Spaniards killed Moctezuma. Spaniards जो थे उन्होंने मोक्टेजुमा को मार दिया. एंड द एस्टेक्स ड्रो देम आउट. और एस्टेक्स ने उनको बाहर निकाल दिया. देन द स्पेनियर्ड्स सराउंडेड द सिटी. उन्होंने शहर को घेर लिया. द एस्टेक्स कुड नॉट गेट इन. एस्टेक्स ना अंदर आ सकते थे ना बाहर जा सकते थे अपनी खुराक के लिए, एंड अदर थिंग्स दे नीडेड, और अपनी दूसरी ज़रूरियात के लिए वो अंदर बाहर नहीं आ जा सकते थे. 2 years later, Cortes went back. 2 साल बाद Cortes वापस आया एंड कैप्चर्ड Tenochtitlan. और उसने वहाँ पे कब्जा कर लिया. The Spaniards drained the lake and built Mexico City on top of the old city. Spaniards ने झील को ख़त्म कर दिया, ड्रेन कर दिया यानी खाली कर दिया पानी से, और पुराने मेक्सिको सिटी पर नया मेक्सिको सिटी तामीर कर दिया. ये देखें जी, रिमेन्स ऑफ एक्वेडक्ट. ये पुराना मेक्सिको है. राइट. द रूइंस ऑफ टेनोक्टिटलन इन मेक्सिको सिटी. जैसे हमने रूइंस ऑफ गंधारा वगैरह पढ़ते हैं ना, इट्स लाइक दैट. सी, दिस इज द ओल्ड टेनोक्टिटलन. Now on the next page, page number 91, an Aztec drew the picture of the battle at Tenochtitlan. ये देखें जी, ये लड़ाई, एक एस्टेक ने लड़ाई की तस्वीर बनाई है वहां पे. आपको क्या लग रहा है क्या हो रहा है बताइए जी. इट्स अ वॉर बिटवीन स्पेनियर्ड्स एंड Tenochtitlan people, Aztecs, right? Okay, with this our unit has been finished. It's a fact. On page number 90 is left. Let's read it all together as well. The water in Lake Texcoco was part of a marsh and not fit to drink, so the Aztecs built an aqueduct. अब जो टेक्सकोको की झील थी उसका पानी एक दलदल था और पीने के लिए ठीक नहीं था, इसलिए एस्टेक ने एक एक्वेडक्ट, पानी के लिए अपना एक तरीका बनाया. दिस वॉज अ वेरी लॉन्ग ब्रिज, ये बड़ा लंबा पुल था, विद अ चैनल दैट कैरीड वाटर फ्रॉम स्प्रिंग्स इनटू द हिल्स टू द सिटी. और इस तरह एक रास्ता बनाया गया इस ब्रिज के ज़रिए से कि पहाड़ियों से चश्मे जो हैं वो चश्मों का पानी शहर तक आ सके. The Spaniards stopped the water getting into the city when the Aztecs drove them out. और जब Aztecs ने Spaniards को शहर से बाहर निकाला तो Spaniards ने ये एक्वेडक्ट के जो ब्रिजेस हैं ना, इन पे कब्जा कर लिया, पानी बंद कर दिया उनका. ठीक है, ओके. So we are done with the reading. Now we are done with the reading, and you know we have read about European countries in 16th century. European countries started colonies in other continents, and then Europeans did not know that there was a large continent America between Europe and Asia to the west. Then Europeans wanted gold, silk and spices. The Europeans wanted to make native people in the colonies Christians. Christopher Columbus landed on an island near America in 1492, and Spain and Portugal had the first colonies in South America, and many native people in the colonies became slaves for the Europeans. These are all the facts which we have learned in this unit. Okay? Let's come up to the board now. So as we have done with the reading, and we are already doing question answers of this unit time and again, take out your notebooks. We'll do a few more questions and with their answers, but this time you have to tell me the answers. I'll try to write them on the board perfectly. Please open up your notebooks and write date and day. Unit number 10, colonization. Okay? Meanwhile, you prepare the board. I'll write question number 1 of today. We'll not do much work, but yes, we will not waste our time also. So we'll write questions. Answers. Question number 1. What is a colony? Colony नहीं पढ़ना इसको किसी ने. It's not colony. Okay. It's colony. What is a colony? So what do you mean by a colony? We have discussed it time and again. Please, any one of you, Mohit, can you please give me the answer? What is colony? Quickly. Quite close. Quite close now. Colony is an area of a country. An area. A colony is a far off land which that a country takes over and ruled. A colony is a far off land that a country takes over and rules. Far off land that a country takes over and rules. कोई और मुल्क आके कब्जा कर ले उस इलाके पे और अपने कवानीन डाल दे, उस मुल्क के कवानीन नहीं फॉलो करे, किसी और अपने यानी कर ले. जैसे पोर्चुगीज ने कॉलोनी बनाई साउथ अमेरिका में, स्पेनिश कॉलोनीज बनी साउथ अमेरिका में, तो उस इलाके में उन्होंने अपना कब्जा कर लिया, अपने कवानीन लागू कर दिए और वहाँ साउथ अमेरिका के कानून को फॉलो नहीं किया. राइट. So, a colony is a far off land that a country takes and rules, right? Question number 2. We'll just do 2 questions today, but they should be written neatly. Chandar Kanu, जितने मुझे मैसेजेस होते हैं बेटे, उतना ही अच्छा काम भी आपने करना है, ठीक है? name a Portuguese colony in India. जी, इंडिया में पोर्टुगीज की कौन सी कॉलोनी बनी थी? अभी हमने we have just discussed it about in the beginning of this lesson. Portuguese. यहाँ I have missed E here as well. Portuguese spellings are very important, which should not be written wrong. See, Portuguese colony. Portuguese made a colony in Goa. Yeah, the colony should be small. Colony in Goa in India. So, Portuguese made a colony in Goa in India. A colony is a far-off land that a country takes over and rules, and Portuguese made a colony in Goa in India. I hope you have enjoyed this unit. Still, written work is left, which will be completed in our next week's lesson, inshallah. You need to complete whatever we had done till date and send it to work to me. Okay? Allah Hafiz.